Welcome to Modern Plastics TV, the first and largest online TV for the plastics and polymer industry, voice of global plastics industry since 2013.
Plastics and circular economy is a hot subject of the town today. Today here with me, Claudia Wex from Husky Technologies. We are going to ask her about what is the current trend in circular economy and what Husky is doing to close the loop.
Okay. Some initiatives that Husky is doing to enable the circular economy is through our advocacy work as well as our innovations. So, with advocacy, we work on engaging Husky's different stakeholders, whether that be policymakers, and ensuring that the policies that are being negotiated are supporting circularity, like proper waste management infrastructure, access to recycling, or other aspects of the actual product design, like incorporating recycled content. And 100% of Husky's machines can run up to 100% rPET, recycled PET, for example. Today, we're showing on our machines we're 100% recycled polypropylene yogurt container. So we enable our customers to meet their sustainability goals or enable customers to meet regulation requirements. We also do a lot of advocacy work in schools, speaking with students and encouraging them to have these values instilled on them from an early age and ensure they have access to recycling, are advocating their friends and family to recycle. And yeah, those are some initiatives that we're doing to help enable circularity with our different stakeholders.
For Husky, innovation is core for several decades. What is the latest innovation Husky is doing globally?
So some of Husky's innovations to enable the circular economy are items like recycled content in bottles. So like I mentioned earlier, our machines can run up to 100% rPET. Today we're running 100% polypropylene. We also have lightweightening innovations in our bottles. So customers have to use less resin in their bottles, making it much lighter. That also helps reduce carbon emissions because when you're transporting the bottles, it weighs less. We also have a monomaterial bottle design. So customers can produce their packaging, like for example, a PET bottle, fully made out of PET. That limits or helps make it easier to sort the recycled material. And those bottles can become fully circular, going from one bottle to another.
Other than packaging, you have what are the product ranges you have in Husky?
So we also do a lot of molds for medical, making like blood tubes. We also do pails, for example, for different containers. But I would say packaging and PET is probably like our number one customer. And it's great because when you choose PET, for example, those products can be made from one PET packaging to another, becoming circular. And this is how we are able to enable the circular economy.
What message you want to give to the industry and the common people?
I think for the industry, we just need to ensure we are advocating for ourselves and future generations. We want to ensure that people have access to recycling so that we're able to keep these items in the economy and out of the environment. And I just encourage everybody, if you're listening to this today, to try and tell your families and friends and other industry members to advocate for the circular economy and ensure that you are doing your due diligence for our environment. We only have one planet, and we want to ensure that we take care of it for future generations.
We have only one planet and take care of your planet. That is your responsibility, my responsibility, everyone's responsibility. Use, reuse, recycle, and keep the environment clean and green. Thank you so much for joining Modern Plastics TV here in K 2025. Have a wonderful time in Düsseldorf. Thank you.